everybody. Thank you so much for 3,000 subscribers. We love you all so much. And today we're going to be going on a field trip. Where are we going? We're going to be going to see the constructioning where we're going to be going. Okay, let's go. Hey, we're here at constructioning. Why can't we go back there? It's just a stop sign and warning, but why can't we go back there? I'm gonna go ask that guy. Why can't we go back there? Sorry kids, it's because they're doing construction and making a new home, so our builder told us nobody can come here while we're in constructioning. Oh, okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for 3,000 subscribers.